1936 for an E Knucklehead here.
Another stunner, Paul.
That's right, and the Model E was the lower compression version of the Knucklehead. You usually see ELs, but frankly, by this date, it doesn't make any difference. I'm sure the pistons have been changed once or twice since then. But this is a beautiful restoration of a very rare first-year Knucklehead, which are extremely rare. Harley-Davidson didn't even advertise, didn't even put it in their catalog that year because it was the first year with an overhead valve motor on a production road bike, and they were a little bit afraid of warranty claims, so they kind of snuck it into the line.
Oh, okay.
And they only advertised when they won an event with one of these bikes.
And they call it the Knucklehead, but Paul talked about the overhead valve configuration, and there you see the tops of the cylinders somewhat resembling a knuckle.
Or it looks a little like E.T.'s forehead if you look closely.
Okay. Reserves off $95,000.
And that's typical of a very well restored first-year-old Knuck. It's a six-figure bike all day long.
Right.
The dealer actually said 110 is easier to remember. All right, I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.
So, 100.
Well, the guy in the back with Alex McLaughlin out. That gentleman right there just bought that Knucklehead for $105,000.